Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another unboxing of this Festina watch. If you're new to this channel, basically I do a lot of unboxing, a lot of reviews, watches ranging from something like this, the Anne Ordain, really nice watch, to something affordable like this Festina. Festina is a brand, a Swiss brand that has been doing great things lately and trying to acquire a branch of the market for, let's say, the affordable watches. This one, let me open this. So this one has the reference number F20346-3. It's actually a boy's watch, so it's a smaller watch. And I actually got it because I thought that might be an interesting watch for somebody thinking about getting their first watch or getting their son's or even daughter, because this is more or less, the colors might be a little bit masculine, but nowadays anybody can wear anything they want and they like. So I don't put limits on who could wear the watch or where. So as you can see, you have a small dial of 36 millimeters. Let me put it on the caliber. So you have a case 36 millimeters, a lug to lug size of 42, and thickness of 10. And as you can see, we have here, polish it up, take it out of this. You have a nice box. We have here a sort of leather canvas strap. So you have a canvas strap, leather backside, Festina on the back, here with the registered mark and the reference number. You have two pushers. So as you can see, this is a Quartz watch, and I'll show you the ticking. So basically you stop, the central hand ticks, 24 hours display at the 3 o'clock subdial. If we start the chronograph, we have a 60 seconds counter, 30 minutes. We have 30 minutes, and you can even count it down if you want more with the 60-minute bezel. And as you can see, by the way, I have a 17 centimeter wrist, so as you can see, it is really small. Festina's watches usually are big, but I thought I'd give this watch, let's say, a go, because a lot of people might be getting presents, if you have a smaller wrist, maybe 14 centimeters, 15 centimeters, this would be a perfect watch. What I liked is this color combination of red, black, and this sporty look, and the price as well. It's $95, 95 euros. And you have an 18 millimeters lug width, so you have a lug of 18 millimeters. So you can get also a lot of standard straps, because I know a lot of people hate when companies make these 19 or smaller straps. And here we go, a little bit more lighting. You can see the Festina. There's a new Festina also that looks like an IWC with the Velcro 7750. I saw a lot of reviews online. Really nice watch, and I think Festina is doing great in pushing more and more value to their customers. So for under $100 or 100 euros, you could get a watch like this that you can give to somebody, or if it's your first watch, you'd be able to afford it also on 100 euros. You have a stamped buckle. The watch itself is 70 grams, so very light, and the strap is nice. It's a little bit hard, maybe you need a little bit of wearing just to wear it up. And the watch is 5 bars, so 5 Atmos, water resistance to 50 meters. And as you can see, you have these Arabic numerals, and there is, looks like loom, but we have to check it out. So the loom are definitely on the hands, but nothing on the numerals. So at night you might not be able to see so much, but at day I think it's very legible. You can see the numbers. The numerals, the Arabic numerals are big, are apparent. Watch looks really nice. The case looks really nice. You have a polished finish. This fixed bezel also looks really nice. So I definitely recommend this watch for anybody, even ladies with small wrists that wish to wear something sporty and affordable. This would be a perfect watch. Young guys, young girls as well, who would like to own a watch in this size with this price. This is definitely a good offering. Yeah, I got this watch from Amazon just to try it out. Like I said, so shop around. You might find some offers, but I will leave a link also to the watch in the description. So it's an unaffiliated link. So like I said, shop around, find yourself the best price you can find. So if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, it's an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.